back to Share Services LLC, where we provide sustainable healthcare accreditation resources and education. We're glad that you found us again. We're just getting started here at Share Services. My name is Susan Proctor. I am a registered nurse with a BSN and an MBA in healthcare management. I have spent over 10 years with an accrediting organization that required compliance to or certification of ISO 9001 with their accreditation. We will be providing an online course that you will be able to purchase and complete at your convenience with downloadables and resources included. That covers the basics of ISO 9001 within healthcare. And we look forward to being able to share that course with you. It will consist of 6 modules, and they each will cover a certain area of standards. They will include the purpose of your quality management system, or QMS as we like to call it, the 7 principles of your QMS, leadership's roles and resources necessary to develop a mature QMS. We'll talk about risk-based thinking. We'll talk about planning for changes. We know there's been a lot of changes in the last couple of years with healthcare, so how do you plan for those changes when needed? And then when you need to go back, how do you plan for those as well? We'll also talk about internal audits and how you build those within your organization. And then from that, you're producing corrective and preventative action, and then monitoring and measuring and analyzing that data and getting it up for management reviews so that they can provide the resources that are needed. We'll talk about risk-based thinking. We'll talk about planning for changes. We know there's been a lot of changes in the last couple of years with healthcare, so how do you plan for those changes when needed? And then when you need to go back, how do you plan for those as well? We'll also talk about internal audits and how you build those within your organization. And then from that, you're producing corrective and preventative action, and then monitoring and measuring and analyzing that data and getting it up for management reviews so that they can provide the resources that are needed, and make sure that you are providing sustainable, corrective, and or preventative action. So think PDCA. ISO is a lot like that. We look forward to being able to help you understand ISO better. This will be a good high level, just being about a 6-hour course. It will be a very good high level course that if you are already on your ISO 9001 journey and you have individuals in your organization that maybe don't quite understand it, and you're just still at the leadership level or the quality management level of that ISO journey, it would be good to push this education out to those folks so that you can build it deeper and that they can work on their quality objectives and really understand what you need from them when you're asking them to bring that to you at management review. If it's something that you're looking at, you can also learn how to build other programs. Your quality management system, as it is the skeleton, ISO 9001 is the skeleton of your quality management system. It's how you build it. And then when you put those PI projects, Lean or Six Sigma projects into that, it actually is starting to put the layers on top of that. And just really kind of putting the icing on the cake and smoothing out the edges and running your organization like a well-oiled machine. It also will be good for anyone that's looking to go to an accrediting organization that requires ISO 9001, or anyone that just wants an ISO 9001 certification of their quality management system in their healthcare organization, whether it's related to or not related to your accreditation. So with that being said, I really look forward to launching this program to you in the very near future, and you being able to use this just kind of as a learning tool as you get started on your journey, or trickling that down more deeply into your organization as you already started to build that. I can see it being useful both ways. If you have any questions, you can check out our website at www.shareservices.llc. And you can also watch for our pre-launch, where you will be able to submit your email address so that you can be the first to know when this goes live and you're able to purchase it. You will obtain a certificate whenever you finish the course, so you'll be able to keep track of the education that you've provided to your staff, which will be really nice as part of your competencies that are required with an ISO 9001 quality management system. And if you have any questions further than that, you can email us personally at productinfo@shareservices.llc, and we'll get back with you as soon as we can. We also offer consulting and coaching services. We do that both virtually and on site. If you are looking for ISO certification and you want somebody to come on and just kind of onto your premises and just kind of take a look at what you've built, we're happy to do that for you as well. Just reach out to us because we look forward to working with you. We believe at Share Services that if you have knowledge, you share it with others so that we all may grow. So we want you to light your candle with ours, and we also would ask that you do the same. We have a Share community. We would love for you to join that. If you're already ISO certified and you want to discuss some of your great noteworthy efforts that you've been able to implement and process you've been able to build with others, we have a great opportunity for you to share that within our Share community. We also have an opportunity there for you to seek that information for those that are sharing it. So again, thank you for listening. We look forward to hearing more from you and to sharing this course with you. And if you have any other educational ideas that you would like opportunities for, let us know because we're happy to build those for you as well. Have a great day. Go share your knowledge and we'll continue sharing ours.